Whether you're in high school, university, at work, running, doing sports, you always need to be able to get in the zone, really get focused, clear your mind of all thoughts. The question is, how do you do that? And that's why I'm here to teach you. So it involves the breath. No, it's not like yoga meditation, but it's a special type of focus meditation that's designed to constantly bring you back to the breath, to strengthen that muscle that allows you to like hone in on a particular task. I'll explain more detail. So right now your brain is in the default mode network. It's in that state where there's chatter in your skull like, is this video worth watching? Should I just go study now? Should I skip ahead? That's your default mode network in action. That's that chatter in the skull. What you'll notice is when you're focused, when you're really deep in the books, you don't have that chatter in the back of your brain. They're two different states. You have a focus state, and then you have a default mode network, which is like asking like, when's dinner? What's for dinner? Does anyone really like me? Now, what I'm trying to give to you is a switch that will bring you from the left side here, which is your default mode network, to the focus side. And that's my videos. So if you actually use the video properly and consistently, what it will do is, essentially with the video, it's breathing. But it's more than just breathing. It's breathing, and then every time you get distracted, you start thinking about dinner or your girlfriend, you're bringing yourself back to the breath. Every time you do that, it's like flicking the switch from your default mode network to the focus state, which is where we want to be. Now, if we think about this like the gym, where you're working at this muscle in your brain, you're working out this light switch, which will turn on your focus state, then it totally makes sense that the more times you do this, the more it's going to be a permanent change in your brain. You're going to have that permanent switch that allows you to just hone in, and that permanent switch where if you get distracted, you start having negative thoughts while studying or working, like I want to stop, you can just switch it off and keep going. So that's why it's so powerful to work through these videos, starting at the smaller ones, the lighter weights, if you're still using that gym analogy, and then working up through the weeks to the longer format videos. I'll actually drop a playlist down below so that you can work through this day by day with that playlist. But also, I'd really recommend that you subscribe. I put out content every day with this kind of content in mind, with the 3-minute videos, 5-minute videos, up to 10-minute videos of these focus exercise videos. And if you do them consistently, you're going to train that muscle, and you're really going to be able to turn on the focus whenever you want. And this is the biggest study hack, work hack, life hack. Thanks for listening.